This food storage room, but it is not open for visitors. And then you will go this direction. On the left side, you are going to see one of the biggest cave church of Cappadocia. In Cappadocia, I told you before, there are more than 1,000 cave churches, and only 2 of them are located in this monastery. In the canyon, there are 105 churches. 2 of them are here. One of them is on the left side. The other one is over there. You can see the entrance from here. It is written as cathedral. It's not a cathedral. It's a church. Also, you can have a look at that. The last section is chapel, like a small church. You can have a look also this one. And then you will come back by the same way. You can have a look this room if you like. If you get inside the room, on the other side, you will see by window, you will see those conical formations. Please look at this direction. You can see those conical shapes. And it is known that this is the place of Star Wars movie. It is believed that George Lucas, director, he came here in 1976 to film, but they couldn't get permission from the government. That's why it is believed that they took pictures and videos from this place and they went to Tunisia. They filmed in Tunisia, not over here. But even today, local people say this is the place of Star Wars movie to attract the people here. But it's not true. If you want, when you get inside the room, you can take pictures of the place. When you